Oh, hi. I'm gonna go get something from the fridge. Okay, let's go get something. What do we have here? Okay, yeah, it's a good the video. Wait. Get out! Get me out! Help! Someone, please help, please. What are we doing right here? I don't know. I'm gonna go and turn on the microwave. Why? Oh. Ouch, that hurts. But I'm gonna go to the microwave. Well, I guess she's going to the microwave, I guess. Okay, let's go to the microwave. Okay, let's see. What's this thing? Anyways, okay, let's go to the microwave. Okay, let's cook it now. Okay, it's now done. Wait a minute. Do I hear something? I guess someone is stuck in the fridge. I'll go help them. Go to the fridge. Mario, you've been stuck here. Help me. Finally, I'm free! Ah! Well, I guess what he said. Well, I guess happy ending.